Today we will be demonstrating a newborn legs in front carry in a beautiful Aloha Light Eco Silk. You will notice that because of the quadruple folded shoulder on Aloha Light slings, the fabric is folded. Begin by placing the rings over one shoulder. Bring the fabric flat across your back with the fold opening up toward the sky, then allow it to fall open along the side of your body. Bring the tail fabric together to prepare to thread it through the rings. Pull the tail fabric through both rings. You'll notice that the non-shiny hemp side of the tail should now be facing out away from your body. Now, spread the rings apart, pull the fabric over the top ring and below the lower ring. Next, in the space between the upper and lower ring, use your thumbs to spread the fabric open from one rail or hem on the fabric to the other in order to ensure that there is no bunching or twisting. This will help when it comes time to adjust your sling around baby. Now pull the fabric through the lower ring in order to lock it in place. Take your time making adjustments to ensure that there is no twisted fabric between the rings. Take a moment to make sure that your rings are properly positioned at corsage height. Next, you will create the pouch where you are going to place baby. Start by taking the bottom edge of the sling and flip it up against your chest. Then pull the slack tight through the rings so that it sits flat against your body. Once tightened, pull the top edge of the sling up to create a small pocket and adjust it to roughly the size of your baby. For purposes of this video, we will be using a 5-week-old who weighs approximately 9.5 pounds. While maintaining a secure hold on baby at all times and while supporting his bottom, lower him into the pocket that you just created. Make sure that his bottom is lower than his knees and he's not sitting or resting any weight on his feet. If necessary, you can reach between your chest and baby to pull the inner part of the pouch up to ensure baby gets a nice deep seat. While keeping one hand on baby, spread the fabric up over his back, above his shoulders and just to the nape of his neck and not any higher. Once baby is well positioned, tighten the sling by pulling the excess fabric through the rings in small motions across baby's back, top third, center third, and the bottom third. If there's still any slack remaining, simply repeat these small adjustments. Notice baby's final position in the sling. He has a nice deep seat, his knees are nice and high so that his weight is resting on his bottom, not on his feet, and he's close enough to kiss. If you have any questions, please visit us online.